PEP 8, a comparison to true should be if condominium is true or if cond. Pycharm is throwing a warning when I do np.where temp equals true. My full code. The code does not work as expected if I change temp equals true to temp is true as suggested in other post. How should this warning be resolved? Where temps works. Thanks a lot. At Joao Vitorino. Thanks for the explanation, at Jedwards. It helps.
Don't compare Boolean against Boolean. You should check if it's true or false. In your case, here's some explanations.
As per the PEP 8 guidelines in Python, comparing things to true is not a preferred pattern. If the temp is assigned to be false, still specifying only temp inside a conditional statement will result true. For instance, note, if your code doesn't follow PEP 8, this case will not give any error.
False or done, so